So this is the Ford F-150 2021, and I just purchased this Built Right Industries release what is it, lever, whatever you want to call it. And while taking apart my bench, I found this little guy just tucked under this part of the foam, like right here. I don't know if I accidentally pushed it down when I was trying to release the bench, but basically it hooks to the release button that comes in a latch. So this guy right here, this guy just fits right in here. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. So there you go. This would release the latch on the truck. So basically, here it is. Engage it, and then God damn it, I can't do it with one hand. All right, yeah. So just basically pull it, and it will release the bench. So I'm gonna take it out because it's too short, hard to reach, very hard to reach. And I'm gonna install this Built Right Industries release strap. So I guess the new F-150s 2021 comes with this little loop here, so you can release the latch, but it's very hard and difficult to get to. So thought I'd make a quick video about it, upload it. Maybe this will help some people so they're not struggling too much trying to pull this little pin. It was a little, it's hard to get in there and release it. So yeah, so this is the 2021 Ford F-150 STX model, so hopefully this will help somebody out there looking for information. All right, man, bye.